Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about regular expressions in Python. So what are regular expressions? Regular expression can be defined as sequence of characters which are used to search for a pattern in a string. So whenever you declare any string and you want to search for a particular pattern inside that string, you can use regular expressions. So the module RE, so it is a inbuilt module. So we have learnt about the different type of modules which were inbuilt and how to import them into your Python code, like date and time module as well as the calendar module. On the similar lines we have RE module, which stands for regular expression, which provides the support to use the regular expression in the Python program. The regular expression module must be imported to use the regular expression functionalities in Python. So we know the syntax how to import the module. We need to make use of import keyword and then the name of module. So there are different type of methods in this module. So the first one is findall function. So this method returns a list containing a list of all matches of a pattern within the string. So it will return you a string with all the matches of that particular pattern you wanted to search. It returns the pattern in the order they are found. If there are no matches, then an empty list is returned. So let's see in our demo how we can make use of this regular expression module and findall function. So this is my regular expression.python file. So first thing I need to do is import RE, which is import regular expression module. After that I will define some text. So let's have a variable text and define some text here. Let's say hello all, welcome to Code Crush, welcome to Code Crush, and then Python coding. So this is my text, and inside this text, let me correct the spelling here, welcome. And now what I want to do, I want to find, let's say I want to find code word, how many times code word is repeated in my text. So let's declare some variable here. Let's have a random variable, let's say num, and here you can say like name of module RE dot, then the name of method findall, and then the pattern you want to search. So I want to search here code, and where I want to search inside the string that I have declared, which is text. And then after that I will print here num, which will return me a list if it is able to find the code. Let me run this code now. So see, we are getting an empty list. Why we are getting an empty list? Because here the C is capital for the code, so it is case sensitive. If you replace this lowercase c with uppercase C, then it will return you one value, which is code. So let me add one Python code here also. Python code, let me make it capital. Now you will be able to see, now there are two code, right? Two words are there. So if I try to run it, so you can see now the list contains two items. So whenever the match is found, the list will contain that particular pattern, otherwise it will return you an empty list. So in this way you can find a particular pattern in your text with the help of findall function. Let's see another methods also. So another function is the search function. Search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. If there is more than one match, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. If no matches are found, the value none is returned. So what it does and how it is different from findall, because findall will return all the occurrences. Like here you see code was repeated twice, so it has provided you two values. But with the help of search, you will be able to get only the first occurrence. So let me remove here, or let's say we want to add here, let's have here findall. So this was the output of findall plus num. Now what we will do, let's say we have another variable num1, and here we will find regular expression dot search, and here we will search code inside the text, and we will print here num1, print search num1. Let's run the code now. Find all, we are getting a error. Let's add here comma, as it is list re dot match only concurrent string, not re match dot to string. On line number 9 we are getting it. Remove this plus with comma C. So find all, we have getting here two code values, and for the search we are getting a match code. So it says that code was able to find in that particular string. Now what you can do more here, let me remove this find all. So this is my text num1. So if I replace that capital C with lowercase c, as there is no word with this match inside this text, so it will return me none. We run this, so see, we are getting here none because it is not able to find the word code with exact match. Let's look another method here, the split function. So this split function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. So what you can do here, for this split it will return you the list, and here you need to provide the split pattern. So let me provide here re.split. Let's say we want to have the data required on the basis of spaces, like whenever there is a space inside the text you will have the different value for the list. Let me provide here the text, and we will print here num1, print num1, run this. So see, first value we are getting here hello, after that the space is encountered, so then the second value is all, then welcome, before that we have this comma also, welcome, then we have to, then code, then crush and python is single value because it is not separated with the help of space. So here you can see it as a single value, and then the code. The last function that we want to cover in this video is the sub function. So the sub function replaces the matches with the text of your choice. You can also control the number of replacement by specifying the count parameter. So basically the sub function will first find the match, and if the match is found it will replace that with your new text. So let me show you in demo how we can do this. So here I have the text, hello all, welcome to Code Crush Python code. So what I will do, I will use the module re which we have imported, re.sub, then the pattern that we want to find. So let's say I want to find the pattern here, let's say code. So it will find for code, and I want to replace this code with this value in the small letters cod code, and let's say 1 year, so code 1. So I want to replace this code word with the code 1, and this will be done for the text that we have declared here. Now let me have this here. After that what we will do, we will print this num1, or we will print the text here, print text. Let me run this code. So our text is in the original format only. We need to have here num1. See, now this is updated. Here you can see welcome to code. Code is replaced by code 1, and here also code is replaced by code 1. So what I want to do now, I just want to replace this first match with the code 1, not the second one. So how I can do this, I need to restrict here the count. So let's say I want to have here only first value I want to change. So let me run this code now. So here you will see the second one is similar, only the first one is changed. Now let me add another value here. Let's say we add here fun code as a text, and now what we will do, we will have here 2. So in that case it will first find the code word. So code is here, second occurrence is here, and third occurrence is here. It will replace code 1, but only the first 2 occurrences. So this one will be replaced and this one will be replaced, not the last one. Now if you try to check, see, this one is replaced and the second occurrence is replaced. Third occurrence is not changed with the updated value. So that is the use of all this method and how we can make use of regular expression that we have seen in this video. Another modules we will cover in next video. Thank you for watching.